Hello everybody, welcome again in our series Let Us Open a Box. Today we have a medium flat rate box received from USA, and we want to share the content with you and with all our followers in Instagram, Facebook, and obviously also in YouTube. So let us open a box. I think something which you like. Here we have a Jonny Lightning Hot Rolls Beast Mobile. Authentic replicas of real street roads. Limited edition, one of only 17,500 pieces. Can you see it clearly? Okay, that's first. Let's just see the second one. Oh, a Rambler car. So we have here a Hot Roads authentic replicas, real street roads. We have a Rambler. I have here a Flathead Flyer from also Jonny Lightning. It's also a limited edition. So the series it is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces. So until now we have received Rambler, right? Okay. Flathead Flyer, yes. And Beast Mobile, it is here also, so 3 pieces. The fourth car, it is a 1969 Pro Street. Can you see it clearly? Yes. So it is here 1969 Pro Street by Tom Hammonds, the designer Tom Hammonds. The fifth pieces, it is a Bad Bird. Also a Hot Rods. So Bad Bird, designed by Tom Tyler. I have here a 1966 Pro Street, again Hot Rods, designed by Tom Hammonds. We have here a crew cab of 1929, beautiful car. A 1929 crew cab. The crew cab was designed by David Rounds. We have Goin Goat, Goin Goat. Also, it is a limited edition of one of only 17,500. It was designed by Mike Lloyd. Another beautiful car. The name is Bumangus. It was designed by Troy Trepanier. And the 10th car and last one, the Frankenstude. The Frankenstude was designed by Tom Taylor also. So, as you can see here, this is our collection of hot rods. 10 pieces, okay? All are a limited edition of 17,500 pieces produced. All these cars, all these model cars have been produced in 1997 by Jonny Lightning under the name of a collection called Hot Rods. So our next bag will be a collection of Hot Wheels. So we have here a Mustang Mach dated of 1998. I think you like it, right? Hot Wheels by Mattel. Second one, it is Chaparral 2. We have here a Corway C7. Wow, beautiful. Awesome. So all are production of 1998. We have here a sweet 16TM2. We have here a motorbike, Scorching scooter. We have here a catapult, also a model of 1998. Here, the famous express lane. And the faith on this production of 98.